Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily update of Bitcoin. Today, interesting news, today a big bump, and we will see what's going on with Bitcoin. We will see a big pump to the upside, or was it just a bull trap? We will check this out here on this video, guys. Here is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and today we have greed in the market with 72 points. Yesterday 74 points greed, last week 70 points greed, and last month only 56 points of greed. So the greed is going to the upside a little bit, and here is something that's very important for today, because Visa to settle USDC transactions on Ethereum. So Visa is joining now the cryptocurrency market, and this is a very bullish news, is a very bullish new thing here for us. And it's possible that this news here are bouncing Bitcoin here a little bit. So here is the Bitcoin Trading Informant live stream. Here is a very quick overview. You can see this live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week on Twitch and on YouTube. You have here every single hour the signals of buy and sell, of long and short. You have here the 15-minute chart. This is the actual 15-minute chart. Here is the 1-hour chart. Here is the 4-hour chart. And here on this upper left side is Ethereum with the 15-minute chart. A lot of things, buy and sell signals. And a lot of nice guys here are chatting here around the clock. But the important thing now, guys, I would like to show you is this. We had this important breakout today. Look at this. We had a big downtrend. And yes, today we broke this downtrend. And we broke it confirmed. The big question is now, is it a confirmed breakout of this downtrend, or is it just a bull trap? Where is the next things we have to watch? You can see here on the 4-hour chart on the downside, we have still time, 17 minutes to close this candle. For me, momently, it's looking like a confirmed breakout. You can see it. We have a confirmed closing candle here over this downtrend channel, and now we are coming down a little bit here to the downside. We may retest this channel, but we will check this now here on the detail on my TA. Here is the quick overview of CoinMarketCap, what's going on with Bitcoin, and you can see Bitcoin today a pump with 3%, in 7 days only a minus about 0.5%, and we have a sideways going Bitcoin, the last days a up going Bitcoin. It's momently red, but maybe we will see here a change to a green chat here. Here is Ethereum. Ethereum is going up with 3.2% also, and in the weekly it's going up with down with 1.5%. Also, the chart picture is looking nearly identical here to Bitcoin. Tether is going, Tether is not so interesting for us. The Binance coin is going up with 0.7%, and the weekly it's going up with 2%. We have here a green chart picture. AIDA is going up also with 1.6%, also in the week. Polkadot is going up with 4.7%, but in the week it's going down. We have here a bearish chart picture. XRP is going up also nicely. Uniswap is going up. In the week it's going down with 10%, not so nice. Tether is going up with 6%. Look at the weekly, 33%. Litecoin is going up with 5%. Chainlink is also going up a little bit. So all keys here are, all coins here are going up here. Clay is going up. Clay is going up with 21%. Damn. XLM is going up with 5%. And Doge is going down a little bit. So what coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours? It's the Hedera hash grab. The H-bar coin. It's going up with 22%. In the week, it's going up with 18%. Clay is also going up with 21%. And KSM with 15%. Harmony One is going up also. And Mana, the big Mana coin, is going up with 14.6%. Okay, very nicely. What coin is the biggest loser of 24 hours? It's BitMEX or BTMX. 26% in the minus. Storgy is going down also with 23%, and Anchor is going down with 11.9%. So here is the quick overview of Tradingview, the technical analysis, the daily time frame, and here we see we have a buy and a strong buy. So on the big time frame, everything is okay. On the 4 hours, we have a strong buy and a strong buy. On the 1 hour, we have a buy, a strong buy, and a sell in the oscillators. Interesting. In the 50 minutes, everything is nice. On the week, we have also a buy and a strong buy, but a sell on the oscillators. So the big time frame is telling us buy that Bitcoin, everything is looking fine. Now let's check this, guys. This was the chart picture from yesterday. I showed you yesterday some things. This is the 1 hour chart picture, and here is every candle 1 hour, and I showed you some things. For the first of all, we had this downtrend, this red downtrend, and I told you guys, if we will break this downtrend, this would be a very bullish thing, and yes, we broke it up to the upside. Very nice. The next thing I showed you was this Elliott wave, 5-wave upgoing theory, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see this 4 point was not so evil here. We spiked to the downside with the wave 4, and now here is wave 5. The question is wave 5 this one or is wave 5 this one? Momently, it's not to say where is the end of wave 5, but you can see this is working not so badly here. We have here an inverse shoulder, hand, shoulder on the 1 hour chart. Also, I showed you this yesterday. We had this line here, this was this trend line, and after breaking this trend line, I told you guys this is a good point for a buy position, because if we are breaking this trend line here on, let me check, this was momently on 56,500, this would be a great buy position for an upgoing Bitcoin, and we have a target to the upside. The first is the all-time high, 62,000, 61,800 about, and the technical target is 63,000. That's the big target to the upside momently. So everything is looking nice here on the 1 hour chart. Everything is looking for a confirmed breakout. What is a confirmed breakout? I have a video out there, but I will show you here very quick. This is a confirmed breakout. We had a candle starting under this downtrend, going up over this, and the candle closed over this. The next candle also closed over this, and this candle now has still time, 30 minutes. It will also close over this channel. So after this, we have a confirmed breakout on the 1 hour chart. Every time frame has another confirmed breakout, guys. That's very important to watch. On the 4 hour chart, look at this. On the 4 hour chart, we have this candle, this big green candle going to the upside, and it still has time, 12 minutes to close. If this candle will close now over this downtrend, we have a confirmed breakout also on the 4 hour chart, and that's very, very important for trading. A confirmed breakout on the 4 hour chart is very important, guys. But back now to the 1 hour chart. Let's turn on the EMA ribbon, and yes, EMA ribbon, very nice support. We are in this, over this ribbon band, everything is fine. EMA 200 on the downside, very nice support, perfect. The MA21, perfect as a support. So everything, really everything is momently fine here for this pump here. Let's check the MACD. What's going on with our MACD? And you can see MACD also bullish. We're buying green candles. Everything is fine. We may come down a little bit because you see this candle was not higher as this candle. So this is maybe a sign for a little downgoing price here for Bitcoin, but we will see this here on the 1 hour chart. What's going on with the 4 hour chart? Here is the 4 hour chart, and you see also we have a long signal on the 4 hour chart. Very, very fine here. The breakout of this downtrend, and yes, this is perfect. MACD bullish, blue line over the brown line, and you can see now we are building maybe green bigger candles. That's on the 4 hour chart. Very, very bullish. The next thing we have to pay attention here, guys, that's this thing here. We had a last high point on point B. This is this point. And yes, this is now our big resistance. So as long as we are under this point, we are not in troubles, but we have to take a look about this point here. That's on 60,000. 60,000 is the next resistance, and I think, and I know a lot of guys out there are speaking about 60,000 now. You know why? It's very easy. This was the last high point here, the point P of our downgoing Elliott wave, our 3-point Elliott wave, and this is the next resistance we have to watch if we can climb here more and more and more. Momently, it's looking very nice, guys. Really, very, very nice. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. I will check something here also. We have here the downtrend channel, and yes, we broke this downtrend channel, and we are now in a new uptrend channel, and I can show you this. We can draw this here together. From the deepest point, we can make a parallel channel. From here, point C, deepest point, over this point 4 to the upside, this point here was the highest point, and you can see we are now in extreme fighting in this uptrend channel, and that's very nice here. Very, very nice. The good thing is also we are over the middle line, and you can see we spiked here over this, we spiked here on this trend line here of this uptrend, on the upper trend line, and now we are reacting on this a little bit, and we're coming down a little bit. So the next big thing for me is this we have to watch, guys. That's the middle line here of for the first, it's for sure it's the line here. It's this line, this downcoming line here. I will show you here on another one. This is the first big thing on the 1 hour chart we have to watch. This is a big support momently, and we should stay over this line. It's 57,300. We should stay over this line. We also can make one thing. We can use here the Fibonacci lines, guys. That's also very important momently to watch. Fibonacci retracement line from the highest point here Let me check this. Where was this highest point? This one here to the downside, like this one here. And here is the big picture. We need to know the red one is very hard for me to make it yellow. Yellow is also, let me check it, guys. Let me make this here the background. No, I don't need background. This is better here. So this is our Fibonacci line, and this is also very important. You can see this also here on my live stream. I have also here the Fibonacci lines here, and this is the 0.5 Fibonacci line, momently on 57,400, 500 on this point. Let me check this with this one, 57,465. Perfect. That's perfect hitting. This is on my hourly chart here, my point to watch momently. This is the big thing. We need to stay over this Fibonacci line. Very, very important. The next thing is this downgoing line here, maybe on 57,300. Also a big point to watch. In my opinion, it's very important to stay over these lines. We have a next thing to watch. This is this trend line. The trend line is now our support line. And it's possible, guys, it's still possible to retest this trend line. It's really possible to fall back here. And this is the next thing we have to watch, maybe 56,400, 500. That's the next big thing we have to watch. We have a lot of things here to watch in the 1 hour chart. But in my opinion here, this is a perfect breakout. It's a confirmed breakout. And that's a very nice long position. Personally, I would like to tell you something, guys. Guys are always asking me if it's a good, when is the best point to buy Bitcoin? Look at this, guys. Look at this. The best point to buy Bitcoin is on the lowest point for sure. BITI, you are not telling you something new. Okay, but look at this. This was the best point to buy. Why? It was the 0 point Fibonacci line. It was at 50,000. It was a psychological support. And this was the best point to buy Bitcoin for a long position here. Very nice. If you bought here, you're very nice in long position. You have no worry about this, what's going on here. You can lean back, drink your coffee, and this is a very nice long position. The next thing, guys, is this. If you are trading more and often like me, I'm trading these channels. If you are starting with this point here, we hit here the wave number 1. Okay, no one could know where it is the end point. But the next thing is if we're going down again and we're going up again and so on and so on, we are building these channels here. We are buying this uptrend channel. And you can try always to catch here the points on the lower side like this here. You can try to catch this point here. That's the middle line. If we are breaking the middle line to the upside, you can enter a long position also. If you're breaking it here, you can enter a long position with a short stop under this middle line. So try to catch these low points and not these up points. I know it's not so easy, guys. I'm talking always about trade the confirmed breakout. Yes, in this opinion, a confirmed breakout on the 1 hour chart is a closing candle like this one here. So you may enter your trend here and now it's going down a little bit and you are now in danger and fear because you entered on a high position. Now it's going down. That's the risk of entering this one. But this is the thing. Most people are making it entering a market after a confirmed breakout. And you have to set a stop loss here. In my opinion, it's possible to set a stop loss under 57,400 on this point here. And you may wait here if you can enter this position here in the long position or not. The best thing is always to buy the down things here. So you can wait what's going on here. Can we break through? Can we not break through? Okay, you can go out of this trade and you can take profit. Very nice. But if you can break through a channel like this here, you are in the best position here to wait what's going on here on this side. Guys, I know it's easy to tell you, it's not easy to trade, but if you're asking me, BITI, is it now a good point? I have to tell you, a good point was 50,000, a good point was 54,000, always over the Fibonacci lines, always a good point to buy, always a good point to buy over this Fibonacci 61.8, it's always a good point to buy, not to buy under the Fibonacci line, always over the Fibonacci line, that's always a good point to buy. And this downtrends here, this uptrends, this lower points here, this down lines here of the uptrend, this is the best point to buy. Or maybe the midline, you can also buy the midline here. You can buy here the midline, you can sell here the upline, you can buy back here the midline. Okay, it was a problem here, it was a short, so you may lose money a bit, but if you are trying to buy this midline, set a stop loss under this so you're not losing money here or not much money here. Buy it back here, on the midline, maybe take profit or wait if you can with a lot of volume like this here, wait a little bit and sell over this side and so on, guys. Okay, that's the next thing. Now, let me check the higher chart here. The higher chart picture is a 4-hour chart, and we have a lot of drawings here. It's looking like a little child is drawing this thing here. Sorry about this, guys. I would like to show you this one here. And okay, that's the good thing here. We have to the downside to this channel here a target. Okay, yes, for sure. This is our target if you're going to the downside, but momently we are going really nice to the upside. It's no need here to talk about 47,000 momently, but 47,000 is still in my mind. I don't know what's going on, why, but it's still in my mind. The next thing we have to watch, I will remove now all drawings, is this, guys. 4-hour chart, let's turn off all this stuff here. And you can see the good thing, the good stuff was this, guys, here. This was a very nice thing. For the first time, we had a downgoing trendline channel here, like this one. We broke it to the upside perfectly. That's always a good sign here if we are breaking a trend to the upside. So this is making me ultra bullish momently. The next thing, what was a very nice thing to see, was we breaking this high. This was the last high here on this point. On 57,200, 300, this was the last high. And yes, we also broke this one. So that's also a support now. So we have some good positions in my opinion. In my opinion, yes, it's still possible to see a bull trap, but I am bullish now. I told you guys, if we are breaking this downtrend to the upside, if we are breaking it with a lot of volume, and yes, it was a lot of volume, I am bullish now. Where is the next thing we have to watch? Where is the next target we have to watch? This is showing us, as I showed you here, the quick Fibonacci line from the highest point to the lowest point, like this here. And we have to watch 59,000. That's the next big thing, or 60,000. It's a channel. It's not only a trend line. It's a channel. We have to watch this, a parallel channel. We can draw it from here, to the upside, to, sorry, not this one, the next one. The next one is this one here. This is the next big thing we have to watch. Something like this here. This is a great resistance because of these higher highs we had and this golden pocket 78.6. That's the golden pocket of a retracement. That's the very, very big thing we have to watch. You see these highs here. If we can climb over these highs here, this would be a very nice sign. A bad sign momently is this, guys. We are buying this candle, and this candle has a long wick to the upside. You know, I hate long wicks to the upside. Why I hate it? Look at this long wick to the upside, then bam, it's going down. Look at the long wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Look at the long wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Here also long wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Here also long wicks to the upside, bam, it's going down. So this is not so nice, guys. This long wick to the downside is not so nice. We have to watch this also. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's a long video for today, but this was very important for me to show you. I think it's possible to see 60,000 here very soon, but it's also possible to be in a trap here. We saw a lot of sell orders here on this price range at 58,000. Now it's going down a little bit. We have to watch this, guys. But for me personally, I am momently in a long position here. That's a for sure thing. I told you, if you are breaking out this one here, I am in a long position. And yes, I am here now in a long position. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please keep supporting me here on my channel. Very, very nice. Thank you all guys, they're supporting me. I will make here very soon a new last week top cheerer and a new last week top spender bottom here on the upside. Thank you guys for supporting me. So that's it for today. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions out there. Greetings to all my members and my supporter. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.